I am the flying spaghetti monster. Thou shalt have no other monsters before me. Afterwards is okay, just use protection. The only monster who deserves capitalization is me. Other monsters are false monsters, undeserving of capitalization.
What's good, YouTube? I'm back again. I know it's been a long time since I posted anything on here, but I've been in the mood to post again, so I started recording. This is one of my co-workers, Cliff. He gets his cut done by me like every 2 weeks. Figured why not today, you know? So we over here doing a drop mid fade on him, and let's see how it turns out. Right now you saw me setting my ball line with my Stylecraft Ergos, and I'm coming back around and chasing it with my Supras. And this is the outliner blade on it, not the 6/0 or 5/0, I mean. And my bad, y'all, for the bad angles and the shakiness. I'm not used to recording. It's so hard just to find the right angle for it, but I'm gonna get better as time goes on. And if you're wondering, I'm not going to come back with the shavers because he likes to keep his haircut all natural. So we're just going to go as low as we can with the trimmers and just go from there. Now I'm setting in my open guideline about like an inch, almost an inch. We're going to wrap it around the whole head, drop it down in the back. Now me personally, the first thing I like to do is take out the bottom line with the clipper closed, and then I like to go back and down fade the rest of it and soften it up until it's faded out. And right now I'm on the second to last notch, and as you can see, it's pretty much faded out now. And I'm only going to show one side for this video because that's the only side I recorded, but I will do a spin around at the end. Now we're going to start with the one guard, and my technique for this is a little bit different. I'll usually do opened halfway and then closed, and then I'll just come back with the half guard and fade the rest out. Now with the half guard, I'm just gonna down fade this completely and just soften it up until it's faded out. And I'm gonna work from fully open and use every single notch until it's satisfactory for me. After that's all faded out and I did my detail work, I'm going to go at this ridge part with a number 2 guard. I'm going to use that open and then maybe closed, and then I'll just use the 1.5 to fade that out. And with this 1.5, we're just going to do the same thing that I did with the half guard and use every single notch. And then by the time I get to the last notch, it's still going to be a little bit lined. So what I do is I'll use a 1 guard and down fade it until I've fully softened out that line, and then I'll be good to go. After I finished the fade and did all my detail work, I'm just going to go over the top with the grain with a number 6 guard and just trim all the curls down. Alright, this is the finished product. If you liked how it came out, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that. Follow me on Instagram at 3cuts. And I promise I'll get better with all the angles and everything. I'll post more. Thank you guys.